Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Daksh. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Very good.
Ma'am, fine.
Fine, very good. So, where were we yesterday?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are taking so much of time to join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tanishka. Yesterday, I think I didn't take your attendance, right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yati.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yati. How are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Okay, quickly your attendance and then we start with the class. Keep your book ready.
Yes, ma'am. Book is ready.
Book is ready? Very good. Fine. Today is
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
4th of June. Very good. Adya Gupta is there? No. Anav? No. Aditya Narayan Tiwari? Beta, were they there yesterday in the class? Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am. Anna was there. Ma'am, Arthur was. I think ma'am was there.
Okay, just a second. Adya was there yesterday. Anav was also there. Aditya Narayan Tiwari was also there. Agrim Saxena. Agrim Saxena was there. Okay. Akshat Chandra. Akshat Raj. Anvi Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya Nagpal. Harsh Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Daksh Bharadwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Do we have Arshana here in the class? No.
No, ma'am.
Then Daksh Singh Panyawar. Dakshya.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then Devansh Gangwar. Dhairya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv Bhojwani.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Faisal Khan. Gauransh. Gauransh Mittal. Not there. Gauransh is there, but I don't know why he's not able to listen. Gauransh, are you there?
Ma'am,
Usha? Yes.
I'm also mark my present. Akshat.
Akshat Chandra. I have marked the present. Prasoon Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Naitik.
Present, ma'am.
Who's there?
Present, ma'am.
Do we have Kushagra Kumar in the class? No? No. Then Manir Kaur is there. Yesterday you were not there, Manir.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not able to join yesterday.
Why?
Network issue was coming, ma'am.
Because many were there, more than this were there. Yesterday, approximately 20 students were there, I believe. Okay, Riya Tiwari,
Yes, ma'am.
Shagun, Tanishka,
Present, ma'am.
Shikhar, Shasha, Kripansh is joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Shikhar is also not there. Shubham Pratap is there. No. Uday Saxena. No. Anybody else whose name I have not taken? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Shagun Singh, Shashank Gangwar. Tanishka, Uday Saxena. Fine. So yesterday I explained you about the factors responsible for the scarcity of water, right class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
today we'll go for the reading part. Tell me from where we have not done the reading.
Can I
Ma'am,
go to take?
distribution of water.
Huh? Since the
Ma'am, distribution of water.
okay, so we'll read from there. Fine. Tanishka, read beta
Yes,
distribution
ma'am.
of water.
Distribution of water. Although about 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, very little of
Beta
this
Tanishka,
can
wait.
actually.
Tanishka, wait.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Akshat. Somebody is saying something. Yes, Akshat, you say.
Ma'am,
Page number is 150. 150.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, continue, Tanishka.
Actually, we used by us. About 97% of Earth's water is in ocean and seas. This is saline water and is not suitable for human consumption. Another 2% of water is in the form of ice cap and glaciers, which cannot be used by us. Thus, only 1% of Earth's water is easily available and fit for human use.
Okay, fine. Akshat. Tanishka, wait. Akshat. Fresh water. Akshat, read beta.
Ma'am, the scarcity of water.
Fresh water.
Okay. Fresh water is one of the most valuable natural resource on the earth. Earth is a renewable resource. Water is a renewable resource, and its total volume is more or less constant over the red.
Constant.
Yet
Constant.
it needs to be
Constant.
conserved
Akshat, it is
and
constant.
managed.
Constant.
Constant.
Hmm.
Constant over the earth, yet it needs to be conserved and managed properly. Distribution fresh water is unevenly distributed in the world. This is mainly due to the differences of climatic conditions in the region where
In the
precipitation is
regions. Akshat, in the regions.
in region.
In regions. You said religion.
In regions where precipitation is more than evaporation, there is excess of water. The regions where the precipitation is excess are located,
Precipitation. Beta, precipitation.
is in excess are located between the equator and 20-degree north and south latitudes. In the regions between 20-degree and 40-degree North Pole and South Pole latitudes, evaporation is more than precipitation.
What is
This result-
precipitation? What is precipitation, you know?
Ma'am,
Rains.
we said raining.
Rains. Very good. Continue.
This has resulted in the formation of deserts in these regions. Sources.
Okay. Fine. Daksh.
Source of
Daksh.
fresh water is rain.
Wait, Akshat. Daksh. Read beta.
Source. The main source of fresh water is rain. It accumulates as surface water in the rivers and lakes. Surface water is then extracted through pipes or canals drawn from river and lakes. Rainwater also seeps into the earth's surface and part of it is stored as groundwater. Wells, tubes, and tube wells are used to extract groundwater.
Extract.
The earth-
Extract. Daksh, it is extract.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Wells and tube wells are used to extract groundwater. The upper level of groundwater below the earth's surface is known as water table. It varies from season to season and from place to place. Scarcity of water.
Okay. Scarcity. Dharya.
Scarcity of water. With the rapid increase in population, modernization of agricultural techniques, increasing urbanization
Urbani-
and
urban.
change in consumption patterns.
Wait. Urbanization.
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 Urbanization. Urbanization.
Urbanization. Beta, S9zation. Read out.
Urbanization.
Yes. very good.
Urbanization.
Hmm.
Urbanization and change in consumption patterns. Many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity. A number of the existing sources have dried up and many others have become polluted.
Very
The
good.
region suffering
Okay,
The
wait.
regions
Acha, read out till Australia. You read. There.
The regions suffering most are Northern Africa, Central and West Asia, the Middle East, parts of South Asia, parts of South America, and Central and Western Australia.
Very good. Can we have Goransh reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Reasons: unequally distribution of rainfall is the main reason for the water scarcity.
Scarcity.
Moreover,
Goransh.
scarcity.
It is sorry, it is scarcity.
Scarcity.
Hmm.
Moreover, the countries or regions that are water deficits
Deficient.
are also usually poor and undevelopment. They could
Underdeveloped.
not
Under.
underdeveloped.
Ah.
Underdeveloped.
Hmm.
They cannot afford to import water from the other countries, or they transport water over long distances.
Wait,
For the
wait. It says the unequal distribution of rainfall is the main reason for water scarcity. So if I ask you what is the main reason for water scarcity?
Unequal distribution
Unequal
of
distribution
water.
of water.
Very good. When I say what is the main reason for water scarcity, you will say it is the unequal distribution of rainfall. Very good. Now, the countries or regions that are water deficient are also usually poor and underdeveloped. They are poor and they are underdeveloped. So because they are poor, they are not developed. So what problem do they face? Neither they can afford to import water from other countries or transport water over long distances from the surplus regions. The areas, the places where the water is in ample amount, sufficient quantity or more than sufficient quantity, because these countries are poor, they are underdeveloped, so they don't have resources to get the water even, right? I hope this part is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Orange, carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Most of these regions are also densely populated, which puts pressure on the
Consumption.
consumption
Beta consumption.
consumption of water.
Hmm.
By the year 2025, 65 countries, including India, Korea, Nigeria, Peru, and Poland, are likely to face shortage of water.
Hanji. कह रहा है if the conditions remain like this, what will happen by 2025? 65 countries will face the shortage of water, including India, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Manhir,
ma'am.
Manhir,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Poor quality of water. Besides scarcity of water, the poor quality of water is an equally serious problem. Av- avail-
Availability.
availability of clean water is a challenge that we are faced with.
Hmm.
Untreated or partially treated sewage cleaning,
Sewage cleaning. Fluids means liquids. Huh. Fluids that are flushed
fluids
down. Huh.
that are flushed up
Down.
drains,
Flushed.
pesticides,
Beta flushed down drains.
pesticides, chemical fertilizers, leakage from petrol and diesel tanks, and industrial influence are the major contaminants. Contaminants of the source of fresh water. Use of contaminated water cause serious disease.
Contaminated.
Use of contaminated water cause serious disease such as typhoid, cholera, hepatitis,
Hepatitis.
dysentery, and
It is hepatitis.
typhoid, cholera,
Cholera.
hepatitis,
Beta manhi. Typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, dysentery, diarrhea. ठीक है? Then lead present in water is harmful for the nervous system. पेंसिल का लेड आपने देखा है? पेंसिल का लेड ब्लैक जो होता है,
yes ma'am,
तो कह रहा है जो लेड जो पानी में अवेलेबल, जो पानी में मिक्स हो जाता है कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर्स में, वो जो है हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम को भी खराब करता है. इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ एज वेल. सो कंटेमिनेटेड का मतलब जो कि इम्प्योर वाटर होता है, जिसमें बहुत सारी गंदगी होती है. ठीक है? कह रहा है कि जब हम कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर लेते हैं, उस कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर की वजह से बहुत सारे डिजीजेस हमको आकर घेर लेते हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द नेम्स ऑफ द डिजीजेस? It is typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, dysentery, diarrhea. ठीक है?
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
Prasoon has read.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am.
please ask. Yes, ask.
I want to ask that, ma'am, yesterday you said that in our ROs, the water that goes, you plant in water. So
Yes.
that unpure water planted in plants might give the impure oxygen.
No,
Ma'am,
it's not like that. It's not like that. Beta, I have a very beautiful kitchen garden, and all of the RO's water that is throwing out, the flushing out of the water that is there from the RO, that impure water, which generally said it is impure water, but it is not that impure. That is required by the plants. देखो plants की जो need होती है, root को flourish करने के लिए जो requirement होती है, वो सब उसमें होती है. तो इसलिए उसका जो पानी होता है, हाँ, उसका जो पानी होता है वो हम यूज करते हैं पानी उसमें डालने के लिए. And there are several other things for which you can use it. If you are storing them in, big tanks, you can use it for cleaning, for washing, right? Isn't it?
yes ma'am,
So that is it, that water is not that impure. It looks like the any other water. It has no dirt in that. Just because RO's duty is to take out all the impurities from the water and provide us with a good healthy water. That is why it segregates certain particles from the water. Right? Right, Prasoon?
Ma'am.
Okay, will you read now?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Poor quality of water. Besides scarcity of water,
No,
the
this
poor
is
quality.
this has been done. You need to read from drinking water should be absolutely pure.
Drinking water should be absolutely pure and free of all sorts of harmful objects like bacteria, parasites, hydrocarbons, lead, salt, and
Lead.
iron. Infections and purification of drinking water can be done by various methods like chlorination, distillation, and ultraviolet UV. Water purification method. The most common method, however, is to boil the water to kill the germs.
Now see, chlorination, distillation, and ultraviolet water purification methods. You must have read about all this in your science. I hope you have read this in your
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am,
Very good. So, which is the most common method to clean water or to disinfect water?
Boiling the water and kill the germs.
Yes.
Boiling.
The most common method is to boil the water to kill the germs. Very good. Fine. Now coming to the multi-purpose projects. See, have you heard of this multi-purpose projects ever in the...
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have this topic in our earlier classes.
Okay, so
In
what?
SST only.
Okay, who will tell me about this multi-purpose project then?
Ma'am,
Anav? Yes,
Ma'am,
Anav. Okay, Akshat will tell. Yes.
I can tell.
Yes, let Anav tell. Yes, Anav, try beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, these multi-purpose projects, ma'am, are ma'am for ma'am conserving ma'am waters, ma'am they are for ma'am they are used ma'am these projects are for ma'am dams.
Yes, very good. See the dam, the multi-purpose projects that we have, they are the construction of the dams, and alongside with the construction of dam, several, because
Rivers.
it is multi-purpose, so it serves many purposes, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Along with storing water, it also helps in producing electricity. It also acts as, fisheries, because the fish breeding also takes place, right? Right, then it beautifies the place, right? Then the water that we have stored over there, through canals, it is provided to the places where water availability is scarce, right? Have you ever gone to bifurcation, which is there in Pilibhit?
Yes, ma'am, I have visited.
Ha,
Ma'am, it's a very big dam. Ma'am,
It is a
visited
very
many
big,
many
exactly,
times.
exactly. So the nearby area, the scenic beauty is so beautiful over there. Have you observed that?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's like the ocean.
exactly. It gives you the feeling of an ocean, but it is a river. Okay, now see, this is what the multi-purpose projects they do. There are several purposes which are, attached to these multi-purpose projects, right? Dams are made so that water could be stored, extra water could be stored. Then that extra water that we have, it is used for producing electricity. Then in the nearby areas where there is scarcity of water, from these dams, the water is supplied to those areas for the irrigation of the fields, right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Huh. In India also, there are several, multi-purpose projects that are coming up, and some of them are already there, and some are the coming up projects also, right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
fine. I hope this multi-purpose project is clear to all of you and understood as well.
Ma'am.
Fine. चलिए, Anav, you read beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from multi-purpose ma'am projects.
Yes, yes, yes.
In many countries, special projects have been undertaken to help and utilize water resources. These projects aim at overall utilization of the rivers and serve many purposes simultaneously. These are thus called multi-purpose river valley projects. Uh, conservation of water. Water as a natural resource is of prime importance to us. Rapid population growth has fast depleted the reservoir of fresh water. Deforestation, construction of houses, roads, industries has also depleted the underground water reserves.
Wait, Anav.
One of the major challenges of the
Anav, wait.
21st century.
Anav, wait. You have read up till valley projects, river valley projects.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to read the blue box also. That is also important, right? Have you read the blue box?
Okay, ma'am.
Read the blue
When
box.
no, ma'am.
Read.
Benefits of multi-purpose projects. In a multi-purpose project, one or more huge dams are constructed across a river to store water in reservoirs. This water is utilized for different projects like irrigation, generation of hydroelectricity, irrigation, fish breeding, effort, afforestation, and recreation. The the Thames Valley Authority in the US was the first in the world. Some mountains are already war in Kohli and the USA and the Volta in Ghana. These are some of the important projects of India.
Very good. Can you read out the names on the green box that we have? Yes.
Krishna.
Okay, wait. Anav, you are not audible. Let Riya Tiwari read. Riya, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta, the green box where all the multi-purpose projects of India are given.
Okay, ma'am. Project
Hmm.
Damodar Valley River Damodar. Project Bhakra Nangal River Satluj. Project Hirakund River Mahanadi. Project
Ma'am, the voice is not coming.
Beta, be little
Yes,
louder.
ma'am.
Riya, a little louder.
Project Tungabhadra River Tungabhadra. Project Nagar Junasagar River Krishna.
Hmm. Carry on. Yeah, carry on. Beta.
Project Rihand River Rihand. Project Kosi River Kosi. Project Chambal River Chambal. Project Sardar
Ma'am, her voice is coming very low.
कोई नहीं बेटा अभी बस देख लेते हैं चलो ठीक है फाइन रिया रिया इट्स ओके कैन वी हैव नथिंग डूइंग द रीडिंग
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ डिड you know नैतिक did you know
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the Damodar Valley project is the oldest, while the Bakra
भाखरा
Nangal
नांगल हाँ भाखरा नांगल
Nangal project is the biggest multi-purpose project in India. The 226-meter high Bakra Dam is the world's highest gravity dam. Conservation water. Water as a natural resource is of prime importance to us. Rapid population growth has fast depleted the
reservoirs
reservoirs of reservoirs
reservoirs of
fresh water.
very good
The
deforestation
deforestation,
hmm.
deforestation, construction of houses, roads, and industries have also depleted the underground water reserves. One of the major challenges of the 21st century is access to an adequate supply of clean water. Thus, it is imperative that we manage our water resources carefully and conserve it for future use. The important methods of conserving water are as follows. Afforestation, that is, planting of trees and other plants, can slow down the surface of runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. In this way, underground water reservoirs can be replenished. The most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation methods must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Over irrigation is neither good or and dams must be neither good for the crops nor for the soil. Canals and dams must be repaired to avoid wastage of water. Sprinkles are
sprinklers
effective.
sprinklers it is sprinklers Naitik.
Sprinklers are a very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even undulating land.
Undulating means
Water
uneven lands. Undulating means uneven lands, right? Hmm.
loss through seepage can also be checked. It in dry areas where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the roots of plants. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be unnecessarily kept open, and the faulty ones should be repaired. Wastewater from kitchens may be used to fill up air uh, coolers or for gardening. Rainwater harvesting is an important method of conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tanks and later be used to fill up wells and tube wells.
Right, right. See, in the next class that we have, we'll be discussing these points in details, right? I hope this much is all clear and understood to every one of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Adya,
ma'am.
Aradhya,
Yes,
Adya,
ma'am.
Uzair.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, beta?
No, ma'am.
All clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Fine. So, be prepared in the next class for the question answers, for the exercises. You can do the exercises in advance so that when we have a next class, we can discuss them, right? Right, children?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And okay, one more thing. I have told you about this map on page 150 that you have to do.
No, ma'am.
Do this map in notebook.
Ma'am, we have to done terms also.
150 page number, the map that keywords also you have to write. You need to write keywords as well. This map you will do, and the multi-purpose projects in India, the green box that you have, you need to mark, right, and show the rivers on the India political map, right? Where do we have Damodar River? And on that Damodar River, you will write the Damodar Valley project is there. Then Bhakra Nangal, where we have Bhakra Nangal on river Satluj, you will be showing river Satluj and writing over there Bhakra Nangal project, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, on page 152, there is also one table.
This table, the 151 and 152 table project river, both are same. It is in continuation, right?
And we have to make this in Indian political map.
Yes, you have to write it on one side, the rule side, and the plain side. You need to do the map, right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Fine. And keywords always you people are writing. So keywords, of course, you have to write. I hope the first two chapters are all complete in your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Chaliye. Any other doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. Chaliye. So next class when you are coming, you should be ready with the map work, the world map that is given on page 150, and the green box multi-purpose projects in India, page 140, 151 and 152. You need to show the river
Okay,
and
ma'am.
write the name of the project. I hope I am clear to all of you, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Very good. I hope this chapter is all clear and understood to all of you. Any doubts, any problems?
No,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine,
No,
fine,
ma'am.
fine. Very good. I think, yes, Manir is saying something.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everything is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, there is an activity on page 155. Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Individual activity. Many parts of India face water scarcity, especially during summers. Collect newspaper reports and pictures to prepare your own report on water scarcity in India and make a